Now this illustration deals with positive polarity. Conductor sizes number 6 are small. In compliance with NEC 210.5, this in car 2, A1 through little a3. Now, notice again, we review the notes first. So note 1 talks about the grounded neutral conductor is not connected to the positive polarity of DC systems. And the installer has to be careful to adhere to this requirement. Note 2, positive ungrounded phase conductor should be identified as follows. Bullet 1, continuously red tape, outer finish, durably marked any color except green, white, gray, or black, or really a green with a yellow tracer in it. Now, note 2, in the bullet 2, talks about imprinted plus signs can be there, like plus, and that word positive or POS durably marked with a color other than green, white, gray, or black at intervals not exceeding 24 inches is acceptable in accordance with 210.5 C2A1 through A3A. And then note 3 says, yes, sleeving or shrink tubing under certain conditions can be a marking means as permissible in 210.5 C2A4. And then note 4, the final note, for information on DC outlets, see Table 11B and Chapter 9, which deals with DC type power source. The Table A, or Table 11A in Chapter 9, deals with AC type systems, as you well know as users of both. Now, reviewing the illustration, we have a branch circuit panel board that's just DC supply. And notice the positive polarity, number 6, red or smaller conductors. And to prove that this is what's required, the user of the code will refer to 210.5 C2A1 through A3, and all of our information is there. But notice the DC source is operating, in this case, greater than 50 volts. So what is the voltage that the DC source is producing? You know, batteries, you connect in series for a higher voltage, you connect in parallel for higher amps, or you have a combination connection to derive voltage in amps as your system needs power or voltage. Now, figure 14-37 deals with the positive polarity sizes number 6 AWG or small.